What's up, YouTube? Shawn here with the Guaranteed Success Plan, and today we're going to talk about what every agent needs to know, but none of them want to hear. People come into this industry thinking it's going to be so easy. You know, they see selling sunsets and they walk in, show up in a fancy suit, drive a nice car, do a couple appointments, make $1 million, and go on vacation. Newsflash, that is not how this industry works. The other thing that people think is they're going to walk in and the brokerage is going to give them all the leads. They're just going to grab the people, go on a couple buyer tours, and again, same thing, make $1 million off a couple days work. That is not how this industry works. What you have to understand is the real job in this business, the real form of employment, is when you're prospecting. That is the only time when you're actually employed in real estate. Everything else besides that is actually a benefit from being employed. So listing presentations, marketing packages, selling houses, negotiating, buyer tours, all those things are only benefits of being employed. So let me break this down a little bit further for you. When you're in business in real estate, you have to understand that you are a business inside the brokerage and you're on your own. So what happens is you actually have to have two mindsets. You need to understand that you're a business owner and the only employee in your business. And that's the part that people truly don't get, is that they are the employee of their business. They all want to be the boss. They all want to make the money, make the decisions. Nobody wants to put in the work. So let me explain this a little bit about being your own employee. So imagine if you were working for somebody, and what would the expectations be? It would be show up on time every day, work 8 hours every day, that you're not going to take a 6-hour lunch break every day, and that you have certain expectations of prospecting targets you need to hit. So that's what happens about being a business owner. Is this is the big strategy, this is the master plan, the direction, where we're spending our money, our time, our marketing, all that kind of stuff. But being an employee is showing up and actually putting in that work every day. So now what you have to boil this down to is, would you fire yourself? Okay, and you have to be honest right here. Is if you showed up every day and you just dialed it in, maybe made 10 calls, a little bit of social media, a little bit of follow-up, all that kind of stuff, because you're only accountable to you. But now if you think of yourself as your own boss, would you fire you or would you keep you employed? And let's talk about being employed now. So employment is cold calls. Nobody likes cold calls, but it's cold calling, warm calling, working your sphere, door knocking, increasing your SOI, all of those things. And we're going to break those down further in a different video for you. All right, guys. So basically what this boils down to, again, is when you're coming into real estate, you have to understand that you are the boss, but you're also your only employee. You're the janitor, you're the admin, you're the timekeeper, you're the caller, you're the shot caller, you're everything. So if all you want to do is the fun roles, the boss roles, you'll never get to them because you're not putting in the work of the employee roles. So what this all boils down to, guys, is effort and energy. Are you putting the effort in and you putting the energy in the right place to produce results so that you can actually be the boss of your own business? All right, guys, I hope you found this useful. Again, I'm Shawn from the Guaranteed Success Plan. We're going to be going over all types of stuff throughout the year here on how to impact and grow your business in a proper way. And we're going to cut the fluff and get straight to the goods.